Viewers, many thanks and welcome to our Pothe Prantare program. I am Shapur Rahman with you. This is a hawker. This is our country. This is Bangladesh. I love Bangladesh. I love this person. This is a hawker, but excellent hawker. Why excellent? This is a person, the well-known that English. However, a stance, a peculiar. This is, hey, what is your name?
Please don't talk, you keep silent. I know story, listen to you. I am Maruf Ahmed. I am a hawker.
Maruf Ahmed. This is a very fantastic name. Maruf Ahmed. How? Hey, when Maruf Ahmed, what is your belief?
My village, Purandorpur.
Purandorpur, this is his belief. Excellent performance. Hey, what is your brother and sister? How many?
My two brothers, but no sister.
Okay, very fine. This is a profession.
Yes,
How long this profession you do it?
5 years.
5 years. 5 years. This is profession hawker, but excellent performance. English speaking. This is country. This is Bangladesh. Stance position. It's a very sky. As a sky. Hey, how many?
English, international language, education. You should try to learn English, Bangladesh.
Try to learn English Bangladesh. Okay, very fine position. Hey, how many income per day?
200 taka.
Viewers, 200 taka per daily income, and he's a very honest person, honest man, wise man, and educated person. Is a Bangladesh very day by day. How many position the educated person the hawker? Hey, do you happy that 200 taka?
I am happy. Most welcome.
Most welcome, and he's happy 200 taka and Almighty Allah. This is a excellent time. Very good and very welcome to our program, and your life will be day by day very fine position. Allah help me. Allah help you.
Allah help you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And you any extra curriculum and extra quality you have? Have you any extra quality? Song, very fine. Hey. Song.
We are mother Bangladesh. To love my Bangladesh. ধন্য আমার জীবন খানি ধন্য হয়েছে বাংলাদেশে আমার জন্ম হয়েছে আমার
Loudly please, loudly please.
Do you think of never when listening to loud music? Why?
Okay, fine position. Everyone sing our mother song. Mother song. Mother song.
Mother song.
No. Mother song.
We are mother Bangladesh.
হ্যাঁ Mother song.
Mother song. বাড়ির পাশের ছোট্ট ঘরে পাই না রে খবর
Loudly please.
যেথায় আমার মা জননী যেথায় আমার মহাজননী ঘুমেতে বিভোর বাড়ির পাশের ছোট্ট ঘরের পাই না রে খবর গত বছর ফাগুন মাসে সাদা কাফন পরে মাঝে আমার ঘুমিয়ে গেল মাটির ছোট্ট ঘরে গত বছর ফাগুন মাসে সাদা কাফন পরে মাঝে আমার ঘুমিয়ে গেল মাটির ছোট্ট ঘরে এত ডাকি তবু আমার খোলে না তো দোর বাড়ির পাশের ছোট্ট ঘরের পাই না রে খবর বাড়ির পাশের ছোট্ট ঘরের পাই না রে খবর।
Okay, viewers, excellent performance. Excellent performance. This
So
is
I
an
am busy
ideal
now.
hawker.
I am
and-
busy now. It is time to go out.
Okay, thank you. Cut.